Are you ready to simplify your graphics installation and reduce your costs? Now you can with DIGIMEDIA Simple Dot Adhesive Vinyl from DigiPrint Supplies. DIGIMEDIA Simple Dot is an innovative air channel adhesive that can be removed and reapplied, ensuring easy application without the need for water. A clear, removable dot adhesive on one side, Simple Dot Adhesive Vinyl enables easy, bubble-free application by almost everyone. And when the time comes, it removes easily and cleanly. Whether you want indoor applications for trade shows, point-of-purchase windows or walls, or have short-term outdoor graphics in your future, choose our clear or white Simple Dot Adhesive Vinyl, compatible with solvent, latex, or UV inks. It's time to simplify your graphics installation and reduce your costs. Try DIGIMEDIA Simple Dot Adhesive Vinyl today.